Good morning, everybody. If you could tell by the title of today's video, it's a big day. So we're giving my dad the golf cart back. Nice little surprise for him. Right now it's 7 o'clock here in PA. A little early because I want to make sure I can get everything loaded up. So I got a really big day planned today. You know, I got this going on. I got stuff going on after. A lot of content to be made today. So, yeah. I mean, look at this thing. It turned out so good. I'm so excited. I'm coming out here. I'm gonna pull it out. I'm gonna go over it, make sure everything's clean underneath. So I want it to look good when we give it back to him. And yeah, and load it up on the trailer. We're gonna surprise him. We told him we were coming over for breakfast this morning, so we're gonna surprise him when we are gonna eat breakfast. So it wasn't lying. Just we're gonna bring an extra guest to breakfast. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this thing out, and we will get the cleaning. So it's official. Real quick, we're just getting fuel and we're gonna head on over there. Oh, it looks so good. Oh my gosh. I really hope he likes it. I'm getting real nervous about it, I'm not gonna lie. But, you know, it's okay, because if he doesn't like it, I'll keep it, like I said earlier in the previous video. We got a big day planned today, so hope you guys are all ready to watch some cool content. This video will only be about the golf cart, and then we're gonna make some more content for a later date. But big plans today. It's gonna be a hectic day. That's why we're getting a real early start. Well, not really early, but an earlier start on a Saturday. But next time you guys see this, we'll probably be at my parents'. Here we go.
Holy crap! That is awesome.
I hope you like it. Katie, go look at it.
Man, that looks good, dude. Gosh, that looks good. Wow, you guys did an awful lot of work.
That does not even look like the same golf cart at all.
You painted the hitch.
Everything.
The tire's dirty, man.
Yeah, I had to make sure it worked in the mud.
Wow, that is so awesome. You would never think it was the same golf cart.
It looks so much different. Wow, it's crazy.
How does it drive? Does it tilt easy or?
No, take it for a spin. Little hot. Like it?
Yeah. Thing rolls, man. On in there because the water's coming up. It hit me.
Yeah, it looks pretty good though. Oh, you got it all muddy already.
Look where all the water was coming up here. I'm serious. We need mud flaps on it.
Oh, that's fun.
Oh, I got water all over the front and everything.
You were going.
Sorry, dude.
You were going
It's all right.
pretty quick.
Are you happy with it?
Oh yeah, this is great.
Good. I'm glad.
Well, it does not even look like the same golf cart.
And the lights actually work now.
With the headlights?
Yeah, and the tail lights both.
I thought they worked
So
before.
cool. I'm looking at the side of it.
Oh, you had to pull the switch or something, right?
Mm-hmm. Have to redo it.
Oh, you didn't. You guys, you man, you outdid yourselves. I'm serious. This is unbelievable.
I like it.
I hope you do.
You don't know what to do.
I mean, if you want a different pattern or something like that, we can wrap it a different thing later. But
I guess I gotta get seat covers now, huh?
I mean, I don't know. It's kind of like redneck luxury having the tan seats. But and we have the rear view mirror if you want to put it back on. I didn't think you needed it, but we kept it just in case.
It's called.
So I thought. So everybody, that wraps up today's video. I think it was a good one. My dad really enjoyed it. He constantly the entire night, he's been texting me and my mom and saying, "Oh, we're so happy you've made your dad so happy," blah blah. And that honestly, all the hard work and stuff like that, like I didn't make any money off this build. It's not about the money. It's not like that made me feel so good to be able to give that to him and see him so happy. That's the happiest I've seen him in a decent amount of time. So, you know, I'm really happy he enjoyed it. I told him to take it easy on it because I'm going to go over and make sure nothing rattled loose or anything like that because we were beating on it pretty hard. But, you know, what can you do? He loved it. My little sister was driving it around. When we were over there, they probably were driving it for 2 hours, just constantly switching drivers and going, having fun, going around the circle, driving around the neighborhood, going up and down the hills. A couple of them taking turns a little too hot, almost getting it on two wheels, but it was fun. It was a lot of fun. I'm glad I got to be able to do this for him, and plus with this whole quarantine situation going on. I mean, it's a bad situation with everything, but I kind of lucked out with me being able to do this in this time frame, and everything kind of fell into place. I mean, obviously the parts and stuff like that took longer to get here because of that, but it was all in all, everything worked out good, and I'm extremely happy about it. I can't even express how happy I am because it was a good time. It was a fun build, and it's awesome to make your family happy, or anyone happy, but mainly your family. Seeing them that happy is awesome. If you guys, you know, I want to know what you guys think about the build. I mean, you saw the reaction. How do you think about the reaction? Like, do you think I was good? Do you think, you know, he overreacted, underreacted? I mean, I don't know. I want you guys to comment about the build, about what else you want me to build. Don't forget to hop on that giveaway. We're still doing that right now, so make sure you subscribe, and then you get a chance to win a free t-shirt and a sweatshirt, a design of your choosing from the link below of my online store. Definitely check it out. Yeah, let me know. Comment below what you're thinking. I genuinely had a good good time with this build. I'm kind of trying to see what I can get into for the next one. But yeah, so share the build if you enjoyed it. Share it with all your friends. Get everybody hop on this Dad Bod Season train and join the Dad Bod Season family. And with that all being said, guys, have a great rest of your day. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Dad Bod Season out.